Don't know what that thing is. Oh God, that thing's big. Oh, what is it eating? What is it eating? That thing's huge. What, do you hear that? That's a vulture. Oh, there's another one. Up there. It's eating it. Where the heck is it eating? It's a vulture. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh my God, look at it fly. That thing's huge. Yeah. Where'd it go? For the sky. For the sky. Get it now. There goes it eating. Oh, it's a dead bunny. Oh. It's infected. Don't touch it, kids. Oh, that's like
Red Kool-Aid.
Yo. Ah. It's flying in the sky. I can't look up in the sun. Yo. That's... Brandon's gonna run over. Nope. Oh, that's vicious. Hey, how do you feel about this? How do you feel about this? It's coming. It's soaring up above. It wants its food back. How do you feel about this, bud? How do you feel about this? Don't you peck on me. What's that? Hey, that was close. How do you feel about being dead
Oofed.
right now? Well, that's nature. That's nature. Oh, I got him. Got him real good. That's a. Good thing I brought my phone. I gotta get closer up on it. You can see its expression, right? You see its little deadly eyes. He's been oofed. Poor thing's been oofed. That's sad. Okay, Mr. Bird. You can have your meal now, wherever you are. I'm just gonna walk over here. I want to see this thing just come back on the road. Any moment now. Maybe if I go a little bit far away. Hey, Mr. Bird! Mr. Bird! Yeah, you. Look at that wingspan. Look at that. I don't think it's coming back. Gotta report back. Report back. Oh, that's insane. Oh, there's like 3 of them. There's literally 3 of them. Where are they? 1. There's 2 others. 2. Just like one behind the house. But yo, there was 3 of them. 3 hawks. No, not 3 hawks. 3 vultures. What am I saying? 3 vultures over there. That's insane. That's remarkable. Whatever you call it. Our man's been oofed over there. Got him, boys. I don't think they got him. I think a car got him. Or maybe they did get him and just dragged him to the road. I think they'll drag him out, right? Or maybe not. They can pick that thing up. Okay.
He was gone the next day.